Today I want to talk to you about agave in the raw. This is the hot version and the jalapeno flavor. This was gifted to me by In the Raw, so thank you for that. I always appreciate how wonderful their products are, and I appreciate them sending this to me. This product is organic and non-GMO, which I love. That's the one thing about In the Raw. All of their products are all usually organic and non-GMO. You can use this in cocktails, in mocktails, and when you make a cocktail or a mocktail, you don't have to muddle anything. You can just drizzle it in place of hot honey. It's vegan, low glycemic, and organic. And if I just want to pull this over so you can see here the nutrition facts, serving size is a tablespoon, and there's about 60 calories per tablespoon, no fat, no sodium. This is a really great product, something different to spice up your life, add a little fun to your cooking or your cocktails. You can use it on as a dressing, a marinade, a charcuterie board, on chicken, on waffles, on pizza. It's also plant-based. This bottle is BPA-free, and it's a naturally gluten-free food with a low glycemic value. Hope you'll give it a try. And again, I appreciate this being sent to me by In the Raw. And thanks for stopping by the review channel.